Thank you for signing up for the 2-day hands-on workshop on OpenTect software organized as part of GeoSynergy, a collaboration of SEG IIT Kharagpur, University of Delhi and the Brugad University student chapters. After you fill the Google form, you must have been sent an email containing 3 links. The first one will be the link to download the software. The second link is to download the data. And the third is the link to the YouTube video containing the step-by-step instruction on how to download the software and data. Let's start by downloading the software first. Click on the link in your email meant to download the software. You will be taken to this website where you have to select the operating system you are using. Here we are using Windows 10, so we are selecting Windows 10. You will see that the download has started. After it is downloaded, click on Run. Then a new dialog box opens up. Click on Proceed. It will ask permission of your PC. Please click Allow/Yes. It may take some time to download. Then a new dialog box pops up where you have to select OpenTect Free and then Next. Here a new window opens up and then we have to click on Install, then Continue, and then it starts downloading the files. It may take some time depending upon your internet connectivity. We are skipping this part. After the installation of files are completed, click on OK, followed by Add, then OK. The installation of software is now completed. Now let's start downloading the open source data. Click on the link sent to you on your email, which will take you to this page. Click on the yellow download button. Click on Download Anyway. It may take some time depending on your internet connectivity. We are skipping to the part where data is completely downloaded. The data folder is f3_demo_2020. We have to copy some files from this data folder to this PC, then C drive, then users, and then your personal user folder. Let's call this the designated folder. Now, we'll go to the data folder and then go to the seismics file. We have to copy some files from seismic files to the designated folder. And those files are the 4-dips tiered median filter.cbvs and 4-dips tiered median filter.par and also stat_120.wvlt. Let's copy these files and save it to the designated folder. Next, we go back to our data folder and go to raw data and then select the files surface data, well data, and seismic_data.sgy. We'll copy these files to the designated folder once again. And that's all. We have successfully downloaded the software and data. In case you have any queries, you can put them up in a Google form sent along with the links in the email. We'll try to assist you. Thank you so much. See you all on Saturday.